Got a bitch out circumcision, cruising, interreligion. I leave pussy niggas tripping. I leave bitches in their dealings. I'm just chillin', I'm just trying to make a million. Like me cause I'm goofy, her pussy bad like Rufus, so I take her to the movie, then I slide that bitch to roofie, and I'm playing on the coochie. My junior good like Cuban, these niggas got a problem, but man, I'm stupid. Laughing emoji, that pussy bad gas when I'm stroking, I slip that ass when I'm stroking, take a little breath and I'm back in the ocean, go slow motion. I'ma leave the pussy soaking with niggas. Used to be a player, but I play too much. Bitches talking shit like I gave two fucks. I swear I love bitches, so I stay booed up. Ho, you ain't got no class, but you ate school lunch. Niggas steady talking, tell them niggas that be talking shit, I'm like, what's your name? Then you eat my kids, that's Hunger Games. I don't cut these bitches off, I just cut the veins. I'm just playing, I just fuck a brain. Man, these niggas fake, and I already knew this. Me and Charico, Jesus said Judas, but I can't deal with these niggas like my name is Frank Lucas. And I'm done with that cruise shit, Bunte. Catch me in the slab with my seat back. Niggas talking shit, I don't see that. Got a bad bitch like where the weed at? Then eat a ass, she suck my dick, that's feedback. My main bitch will be the bitch up. My girl like girl shit, eat a bitch up. Eat a bitch out while I'm gripping on the butt. Pulling on her while I'm digging in the cut. Fuck, I think about the nut. I don't give a fuck, she gon' leave the shit up. Girl, she told me don't tell nobody. I saw I kissed the pussy like I'm catching bodies. I saw she popped that pussy like an ex and Molly. All these hoes asking questions like a testing. Fucking with my old hoes, but I can't fuck with your hoes. Nah, nigga, that's a no-no. Where you fucking at the bro code? Nah, I'm a fucking new bitch. I'ma give a new dick.